Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I love these stickers so much. I use them for my scrapbook and for my journaling, and it just makes me so happy when I see these stickers on my pages. First, I like to look through my book to see the pages that I have already done, just to remind me of different feelings I was feeling. Then I go to the pages that are incomplete because I normally put these stickers on last. I kind of see the mood of the page. Then I match it up with one of the girls. So if you're looking for some stickers with some diversity, I would definitely highly recommend this product. It can definitely be hard to find, but Rongrong stickers are really awesome. They're high quality, and like I said, there are women who have so many different looks that it just really adds a different flavor to your pages. So I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.